Hello, hello. How's everyone doing tonight? Hope everybody's doing good. Getting everything ready right now so that we can start designing. Actually designing a form right now on a security website for Los Angeles. Having a little bit of issue with this button here. The hover color, I was trying to get the color to look right, and it's just not going the way I want it to. But I will figure it out, and we will do it together on this stream, because that's what I'm here to do. Teach you all how to design and develop websites. Just turning my camera on now. I wasn't really ready for this tonight, but we're good. We'll be fine. I will be right back, so just bear with me. Get my camera working. Gotta get my camera working. I don't know why it's not working. Always gives me problems. Probably because I don't have the GoPro app running. Start the GoPro app. Now let's swap out GoPro. Okay, what is going on? Having some technical difficulties with the webcam. Never works right until I preview it, and then I go into it, and then it works. It's pretty weird. See, it'll kick on. Yeah, see, now it kicks. Oh, wow, that light's a bit bright. Gotta turn that down. Much, much better. Okay, here we go. Still a little bright, but that's okay. I got a bunch of apps to update. I will ignore them for now. Let us see. Let us switch. Yeah. Look at that sexy setup. Yeah. Got my Rodecaster and my Stream Deck. Pretty sexy. Okay. I think it's so cool. I don't need the pill cutter there, though. Doesn't look all that nice. All right. Let's go back to GoPro. Okay, cool. Very cool, very cool, very cool. All right, so I have got to do something. All right, so let's get this show on the road. All so here we go. This is what we're working on right now. We are working on getting a form working for a Los Angeles security site. And what this form does, it's actually connected to Zapier, and Zapier in turn brings all the content from that form into Zoho, which is a CRM platform. And we are going to see if we can get this working correctly tonight. That's my goal, and I'm sticking to it. So let's go over to the back end and go back to, that's where the back end is. Let's get rid of that one. I don't need that. Let's bring this over to here so that I know where it is. All right. So as you can see, I'm editing this, and I've got submit button here, and normal and hover states. What if I go full width? It's not actually changing. It's not changing any of the form stuff. Gravity forms, use Ajax. See if that does anything. No. Custom labels, show form background color, title and description. All right, so the submit button. This is what I'm working on, and like, it's not changing anything. I don't know why. So we are gonna leave the page, and we're going to go to plugins. I have this other plugin that it's called. Actually, let me see something. It is Essential Add-ons. So Essential Add-ons Elements has this. I don't need any Better Docs grids because I don't have Better Docs. I'm not using anything with WooCommerce, so I can turn all that off. I mean, I don't need these on, so I don't need the code to be bogging down anything. Learn Dash, we're not doing any learning. I don't have WeForms, I don't have Ninja Form. I do have Gravity Forms. I don't have that. I don't have Typeform, I don't have FormStack, I don't have Fluent. I do have WP Forms, and I don't have Contact Form 7. All right, so let's save these settings, and let's take a look at the Gravity Form documentation and see what it says. All right, how to configure and style. Okay, so let's just take a look at let's take a look at this. Let's see how this works. Yeah, see, this is... Okay. So this is showing it working right off the bat. Then, if that's what it does, I just enabled it. So if I go to Forms, there's the form. So I go back to, we're going to go to Pages, All Pages. We're going to go to the Quick Quote page, which is the one I'm working with, and Elementor. And let's see why it's not working right. Okay. So, yeah. Go back over here. There's Quick Quote. Style. All I want to do is edit the submit button. But it's still not letting me edit it. It's not. Is there something I'm missing? Let's see. Is there something in Gravity Forms that I need to maybe turn off? Settings. Output default. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if that's going to work, but I'm going to try it. Let's give it a shot. Let's refresh this. Yeah, see, it's not working. I don't get it. All right, so what we're going to do, what is this? All right, we're going to go, I know I have this other plugin that one of our sister sites uses. It's called Styles and Layouts for Gravity Forms. I mean, unfortunately, that's the only one I'm going to be able to use. And I mean, I'm not a big fan of it because of the way that it works. You have to go into the customizer. Then you go to Styles and Forms, Gravity Forms. I select the form. Quick quote. Okay, I selected it. So now I've literally got to refresh the page, which I think it's doing automatically. So let's go back. So it refreshes the page. And then if I go to Styles and Gravity Forms, it's on that form. So the only thing that I want is the submit button. Let's see. Background color to be red. And the foreground, the hover, hover background color to be, I guess we'll go like orange. I don't know, just to see if it works. Font size, font color, white, hover, white, publish. Now if I go over to the form, let's see if that did anything. Oh, good. It did. It did. Cool. All right. That's really all I wanted it to do. I mean, line height, okay. Width, boom, height, border, 0. Radius, okay. No margins. All right, cool. We're actually going to make this blue just because I'm using red and blue as color scheme. So publish that. So now if I go and I refresh this page, it should be, yay! All right, cool. That's fine. Literally all I wanted it to do was that. All right, so now that that's all good, we'll clear the cache. And now we've got to do the Zapier stuff, which I've already activated. So now I got to go back over to Zapier. Go to Nationwide. We are looking at this. I could have swore I was working on one. Thought I duplicated it, but I guess I didn't. So what we're going to do is we are going to duplicate that one. We're going to go, we're going to edit the name, and nope. Let's refresh the page. Maybe that's what the problem is. Ah, there it is. Quick quote to LASG, LA security guards. So now, this should be good. So now if I go here, test at LA security guard service, actually Jeff at New England. LA SEC test, owner, LA security, 401-555-1212. LA security guard test. I don't know the zip code there, so that'll have to work. Next. And service needed. Plane. Airport. Okay, we're going to go armed. Okay, calendar's working. Great. I'm going to go 0100 AM to 0600 AM. Testing LA security service. Next. I don't know why the buttons look so messed up. Great. Submit. All right. Quick quote submitted. So the quick quote is submitted. I just had an email come into me. I saw that. Now let's see. Did it come into the CRM? Should have. There it is. And now if I go into it, it is quick quote source, LA Security Guard's website. Beautiful. And it's owned by Russ. All right. So now we're going to take a little while. See now in a half an hour, this should automatically be reassigned. So I think that's good. I think we've got that good. All right. Awesome. 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 I just still don't know why the buttons look so ugly. It says ENTIL add-ons not working with Gravity Forms. Let's see if anything is. What's this? How to fix? No, that's not what I want. Elementor Gravity Forms. What is this? Okay, EA Gravity Forms allows you to design stunning personalized look. But, like, see, that looks cool. For a gravity form, that looks badass. But, like, these are all, like, really cool looking. But why isn't it working for me? Is there something I need to turn on? Documentation. I thought that's what I just clicked. All right. It's not bringing me to. Let's go support. Let's see what is going on. Oh, they got live support. Let's see if they actually have live support available. Gravity Forms is not working with your plugin. It is not actually changing the look of it. Let's see if they get back to me. Probably not. Probably not. They're probably going to be, we're not available right now. We're not online. We'll email you back, of course. Docs. Let's just see something. Let's see what we got for docs. All right. Really? Okay. Let's search. Gravity Forms. All right. That is weird. Okay. Okay. I would like to get this working because it would be cool to make a gravity form look like that. That's pretty badass. Gravity forms, essential add-ons. All right, what does this do? Okay, here we go. This is actually on the Gravity Forms website. Central okay. Actually on the graphic. More personalized graphic. Design. Up, 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 up. All right. That's gravity forms. Like here, okay, here's the docs. Let's see. EA gravity forms. I drag it in. Blah blah blah. How to configure content says it. Okay. Under the content tab, you'll be able to blah blah blah. Yeah. How to style form container. Modify the background. Blah blah blah. Others. If you want to change blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. Something isn't right. Something's going wrong here. Because it should central add-ons. Let's go over to elements. I'm going to try this. I'm going to turn gravity forms off. Save settings. Now I'm going to turn it back on. Gravity form. Save settings. Okay. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Now let's just make sure extensions. Up, 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 up. I don't need that. Tools. Let's regenerate them. See if that works. Okay. Integrations. We are not integrating anything. We're going back to the pages. We are going to go back to quick quote. Actually, let's go to the menu. Let's add it to the appearance. We're going to go menus. Add quick quote to the last tab. So the quick quote's actually going to be in bold. So that's actually cool. I think that's pretty badass. So if I go to pages, go there. And now, hey, what's going on? How are you? We're going to go to the quick quote and see if this can work. It's aggravating the shit out of me that it's not working. Yeah. Okay, so we click on it. This is the form. And here's the, let's see if I go to advanced. Is there anything under advanced that would like, no. Styles? So let's see, form alignment. Okay, that, let's see, center. Let's see if it does anything. See, it's not changing the, it's not changing the look of the form. Inputs and text areas. Spacing. Let's add a little bit of spacing. See if it does anything. Wait, did that just do something? Okay, so spacing is working. Okay, so some of the things are working, but the thing that's actually driving me nuts that's not working is the submit button. Because the submit button is ugly as hell right now. With full width. Let's try that. See, it doesn't do anything. Oh, hold on a second. I have a call coming in. Hello. bear with me just a moment. Have a support call going on. Just hang in there. I'll be back in a few minutes.
She calling in regards to? And she's like, I don't know. And I'm like, well, what could you have done differently? Because so when she's like, well, hold on, I'll ask them. And I said, wait. And she clicked over, and then she went back, and then she asked them the same questions again. She's like, I already filled out a quick. She's like, well, you need to fill out. She's like, I told me to fill out a quick quote. I'm like, well, I said, first of all, it's Jake, and he's calling Bond Construction, not Good Construction. And I was like, what can you do next time is you can make sure that you get the spelling.
Hello? Hello?
And I'm like, here, just check in and make sure everything's
Hello?
going good.
Can you hear
Do you have time to squeeze in?
I got hung up on. How rude. They stuck me on hold. So now we're having an issue with some cameras, so we're going to do some tech support. Got to figure out why these cameras, they are PTZ cameras, but the PTZ control does not seem to be working. So in order to fix something like that, we would go into the router. And that is something, how can I do something like that? Oh, I think I know what I can do. Where's my easy pen thing? Easy pen. We're going to go black. We're going to go scribble out, and we're going to scribble out that. There we go. How awesome is that? I can scribble out that. Go back to my mouse, and I can put the actual URL in that I need. Well, but now I can't see the... All right. I hope this is the right IP. That really didn't give me much privacy at all. I mean, it's given me some privacy, so I got that little scribble out. Let's scribble it out some more. Scribble, 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 scribble. So you can't see the URL. How cool. So now I'm logging into the Sonic wall, and we are going to log in, but we're going to change our... Oh. See if that still works. Let's take a look at what's going on. All right. New market, CCTV private, private. It looks to me like my port forwarding has been removed. So I need to... Shit, this is so difficult to do. Yeah, this is... I fucking hate Sonic walls. I'm sorry, I really do. I do not like Sonic walls at all. DHCP maybe? There's all the phones. Yeah, this sucks. I hate Sonic walls. They're not my friend. Something I'm going to have to look at. I'm going to have to figure out how to do it. Yeah. Sonic walls are not my friends. Alright, so... Let's check... that's not what I wanted to do. Go over here, mail, inbox, compose. Via the Guarding Suite app on the cell phone. Actually, do I have it on here? I thought there was a Guarding Suite. Yeah, I guess not. The port while... Hello? Hello, hello? Yes. You have to connect to the cameras individually, and you can only do that locally on DePiro's network. Yeah. And they removed my port forwarding from the router. That's why they're not moving. But I still have access to the router, so I'm just going to put them back in. No, CCJP's on. I just saw it. Yeah, it was CCJP not up. I'm looking at them right now. See, you said CCJP isn't up. $21.51. What? time is it? Isn't it 10:51? I thought daylight savings time 21. Yeah, that's weird. That is very weird. Because that should have got pushed through from the IC real-time system. No, all the cameras are in the router, but yell something at them. Yeah, I can. While I'm out there tomorrow, I can update that time. Yeah. The office are offline? How are these times getting off? They're up when they're fucking put in. 21, 10:53, 21:53. Yeah, why is it? Daylight savings time should kick in. Is there? All right. Well, the reason, okay, so the 500s are VGP boxes. The 900s are AGP boxes. That's why there's different extensions. Anything with a 50 whatever, that's a VGP. Anything with a 9 something, that's an AGP. No, they all are. The whatchamacallit, Suffolk is? They're just tiny. Well, if you look at like all of them, if you look at the top, it says X506, X505. Do you see that right in the green title bar? Well, that's why if you look at the VGP, they're all in the title label. Like right trailer, 506, front right, 505, fence left, 503. I labeled all of the systems like that. Even DePiro's, front camera, X908. Right, that's just the number of the camera. So relabel them. Okay, that's easy enough. You did? How bad are they on the inside? Oh, I thought you said you went and did it. I was good. But, bye. Alrighty, I am back. Gotta love tech phone calls. Alright, so let's go like this. Locations, cameras. So that's the camera name. I mean, I guess I could go. I'd have to rename every camera. Edit device. Edit name. No, I don't even think I can. Edit. Nickname. Let's see. X505. Let's see if that works. Save changes. Let's go to IP Tech View. View cameras. Suffolk Downs. Okay, that'll work. Could do that. So we go devices. Edit. X506. Do it like that. Save. Okay. Devices. 5. Edit device. 5. All right. Devices. All right. We go to this one. We go edit device. I don't need a max capacity alert. Max capacity, because I'm overwriting stuff. It's weird. X503. Save. What's that? Oh, can I just... Okay. So I go to devices. Devices. 503, 505, 506. Edit device. 513. Save changes. Devices. 104. Edit, which is not really hard to, I mean, I guess when you have morons working, it kind of, X514. Gotta make it really idiot proof. Because if you notice, just the last 2 digits are the phone number with a 5 in front of it. But, you know, people are stupid. You gotta make it idiot proof. X510. Save changes. Devices. That one. All right. X510. Save changes. Devices. 507. Gotta do 507. X507. Beautiful. Let's go into Slack and tell the morons that it has been updated. And to refresh. Okay, so we're actually doing some tech support stuff right now. Not doing actual editing yet. Still got a couple of things I got to do first, so just bear with me. You know, I want to see something though. I want to see something. So if I call somebody with this, no, that's not the number. Okay, can I make a phone call?
Thank you for calling. You've reached the corporate headquarters of New England Security Protective Services Agency, your premier provider of professional...
I'm calling myself. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm calling
So I'm
myself
calling myself.
because I want to see
Because I
something.
want to see
Test.
Test.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
You do hear
You
my
do hear
voice
my
changing.
voice changing.
Hello.
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 Oh,
Oh,
I like the monster.
I like the monster.
Hello there.
Hello there.
don't go back to
Don't
this.
go back to this one.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
This is so cool.
This is so cool.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Alright, so let's try something. We're gonna change my voice to...
Thank you for calling.
This one.
You've reached the corporate headquarters of New England Security Protective Services.
Yeah.
You didn't think he's calling you in the street. Dispatch, this call may be recorded. This is Dan Ryan speaking. How may I
Hey.
direct your call?
Hey, so if you look at IP Tech View now, all of them have.
The labels in it, and they look great.
What
are you laughing at?
cool. Awesome.
Don't be talking about my voice. I sound great.
How did you do that?
I have a voice changer. It's freaking awesome.
Where did you get it?
It's one of my new things for my streaming.
It's for streaming. You're actually live on the
Where
air.
did you get it?
Amazon.
Where did you get it?
Amazon.
Oh, and also, can you show David how to program the phones?
You know how?
You know how to?
Yeah, I showed him how.
They all need to be in alphabetical order.
So to do that, you're gonna have
Or,
to.
or they should be in the order by what's the most important. Like, why is Ken Hub like on the first page? Like,
Yeah, I don't know.
So Dave.
I say yes, Bill. We don't even use this yes, Bill anymore.
So in order to change them to alphabetical, you're gonna have to remove them all and then put them in alphabetically.
Tom Brivity doesn't even work for us anymore. Like,
So
it's so stupid how
So literally all you do
unorganized it is.
in the web client, just go in and delete it. You could see that under
Jonathan
buttons.
Diaz. Hi, dispatch. Can I get a couple of minutes to charge my phone? I'm on 16.
Oh, I'm not in as. You gotta go in. You have to be in as dispatch to change
So there's
that.
no site device where Jonathan Diaz is working?
Where's Jonathan Diaz working?
You see it, Marvel.
Can I ask him?
I can find it here.
Can you see if the site device is using it or find out what the battery is? David, did you hook up the thermostat at the house? Yeah. Oh, you did? Yeah. It was only 2 wires? Yeah. On the other one, it was only 2 wires.
Yeah, when it's only
Sure.
heat or AC, there's only two. If it's got
Wires and the red. Okay, cool. So you already programmed it and everything?
No, I was waiting because there's no
internet. Yes, we need to get internet over there ASAP.
So your Ubiquity equipment has been ordered. Should be there in a couple of days, and then we can move everything over.
And what I'm gonna do is give you my Ubiquity equipment. You know the little box I have in my house? So what I have is this cool little Ubiquity box. Let's have Ubiquity.
I would say put the internet hub in his apartment because he'd be the one to troubleshoot it if something happened.
Yeah, he's gonna oversee it. Yeah. So it's what is my thing called? What is my call?
It's
not
the
called
Ubiquity Amplify, I think. Amplify?
Oh yeah, this thing. Mm-hmm. So it's this. There's a picture of it. Let me show it again. It's like this thing right here.
Oh, I saw it under your desk.
Yeah, it's that, and then there's two things that plug into the wall. There's two.
Oh, okay. Hold on. David, there's in the dispatch area, because I'm in the back end, like I can drag the buttons around. Are you able to drag them in the other interface?
What
Like
buttons are we talking about?
the phone.
Anyway, I'm gonna give that to you. Okay.
Oh, okay. So
if you're in the web client, hold on, let me see something. Oh shit. Trying to think. What did we make it? So it's So in the web client where you make the buttons, you know what where I showed you how to do it?
mm-hmm.
So under there, do you see any little, like 3 little dots near it? Let me see. I'm going under mine. So if I go to buttons, BLF. Oh yeah, you see the 3 little dots near the number? It says 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 sec.
Oh yeah, it works. So you don't have to delete everything. That's awesome.
Did you find it? Radio check loud and clear.
Can't do that to me, Jeff.
What do you mean? Why are you laughing at me?
Yeah, this thing is awesome.
Copy. Have a good one.
It's like a whole mixer. It's like got my microphone plugged into it and everything. It's badass. And now I can bring telephone calls on the air with me. It's awesome.
Muchachos, vámonos. Did you find it?
Yeah, so the 3 dots and
If you grab the 3 dots, you can drag them around, so you don't have to erase them like I thought. You can literally reposition them to make them alphabetical.
okay, 1 sec.
Or maybe do like all the police departments alphabetical, and then maybe do site devices alphabetical, like different sections or something. I don't know.
I forgot how to get into the.
Okay, to get there, so you're in the web client, right, where you can see all the phone stuff.
Yes.
Click on the head on your little picture up at the top right.
Yes.
Click on your name where your extension is.
Yes.
And then go to BLF, the bottom one.
Oh yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah, you can drag them around.
Yep.
Right.
You can drag them around, so that'll make it easier for you. And then just delete the ones that don't make sense anymore. And yeah,
All right.
that's it. If you need anything, let me know.
Alrighty.
I will be available for technical support all night. Woohoo!
All right, Rob. Bye.
All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
Thank you, Jeff.
No problem. Bye.
Gotta love these voice changing effects.
All right, cool. So that's good. So that's all set. The one thing I do want to see, though, is this Arlington Street camera that I did get working. I want to see if it's still working. Let's go here. And we're going to go to admin menu. We're going to go to audio and telephony, speaker and microphone. I don't test. Yeah, when you test it, that should turn green. So what I'm going to do is admin menu, general tasks, reboot the camera, reboot now. Okay, Arlington Street camera is rebooting. Okay, that should be done in a quick second. Okay, so back to trying to get this form to work. I don't know why the button is not working. It's aggravating. Oh, you know what I wanted to check? We need to check in the CRM system. Did it in fact change owners? Let's see. Yes, quick quote owner is now changed. So it automatically changed the quick quote order because of a rule that I set up. So if it's not moved out of this received within 30 minutes, it automatically sends an email and reassigns it. Freaking awesome. That is cool. All right, Zapier, quick quote to CRM. Do. Okay, let's go back over here. What's that? Oh, this is this little, I hate that thing. All right, we're going to go to views, cameras, Arlington Street with 10114. We're going to wait till that comes up. All right, let's see if we can get into it. I don't think so, not yet. But I really want to know how they do it. Do. Let's go over to, let's go to oh, here we go. Cool. All the numbers are there. We're able to see everything. I love this view. It's a thermal camera. Check that out. Is that not badass? Oh, what is that? Looks like a dog or a coyote. That's probably a coyote. Coyotes are cool. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Okay, so let's finish setting up Denver, because Denver's our next one. All right, so boom. We're just going to leave this as is, update. And we will exit. Because the quick quote works, it's just aggravating that the button is ugly, but it works. That's all. I mean, I'll try and figure that out eventually. So we're going to go sites. We're going to add a new site. We're going to go add new. Denver Security Guard Service. Denver Security Guard Service. Jeff. There I am. Pink. Add site. So now it's going to add a site with this security web hosting, but I'm going to edit it because for some reason I have this set up so that WordPress it serves the domain name, but I don't know. Oh, it should be HTTPS. I don't know why it's saved like that. Now we go, let's see. Let's go back here. I want to, grr. Oh, all sites. If I go here. Oh, no. All right. So it is all, okay. I fucked that up. So we're going to go back to Denver. Where's Denver? Denver, Denver. Next page, last one, edit. So I do leave it as HTTP. All right. Should redirect me. Now I add some users as administrator and Dan as administrator. So that like sets up our admins. So now if I go, let's see if it's up yet. Denver Security Guard Service.com. I think that was the domain, right? Denver Security Guard Service.com. Is it up yet? It should be. Okay, good. It's up. What the hell is this? Oh, why is it redirecting me there? That's not good. It shouldn't be there. Oh, you know what I think it is? I don't think it's updated for me yet. My DNS hasn't updated, so I can't work on the Denver site yet. But what I can do is all right, so that's done. Go over here. We will add some stuff over here. I go to what else have I done today? So we're gonna go to today, and we're gonna go activate PTZ at ACADIA Boston. Check rear AGP at DIPIERO. Go here, go down, go down. All right, add to projects, IT, add to projects, VGP, Video Guard Pro. Bum 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 bum. Add task, updated camera names in. How to update phone buttons. Over here. IT. And mark complete. Okay, what else did I do? All right, so I got to go here. Date time on the Piero camera. DST. Yeah, I can't. This is what I'm streaming. Asana crap. Date time on DPRO. Office camera. DST. I'm also going to do something else. I'm going to make one big change here. So we're going to log into my local server. My local server is running ESXi, which is a VMware product. It is like the best virtual machine environment you can get. It's pretty badass. We go to the Blue Iris server. This is where we run our all of our cameras through. It's run here at my house. So what I am going to do here is go to Blue Iris. What I want to do is make sure that I'm only streaming one stream from all of the DePiro cameras. Because one stream is it takes less bandwidth, because normally I stream two streams. I stream a big regular 1080p and a substream, which is usually smaller so that it doesn't take a lot of bandwidth. But when setting up the cameras, they default to two streams, a primary stream and a substream, so that it can show the substream while to you and record the full screen stream. But the problem is you're still streaming two different things. I don't know why the cameras aren't loading. It's not creating the window, which is weird. It should be creating that window. Yeah, we use Blue Iris. It's really inexpensive, but it's a good product. I don't know why the console is not starting now. If I go to VMS. All right, gonna reboot this. Here, restart, other unplanned. This is actually gonna restart the server. And we are actually running Windows Server on this one. Yeah. VMware rocks. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I love VMware ESXi because it's cool. Yes, yes. I'm sorry I'm so boring tonight, and I've got so much stuff going on. Yeah. But and it's hard to talk when nobody's talking to you. Okay, so now we're going to press Control-Alt-Delete. So in order to do that, we have to send a command. Send keys, Control-Alt-Delete. And sometimes it don't work. So what I end up having to do is let's check if it's back online yet. Refresh. Nope, still not on yet. Because I'm using ngrok to connect to the service. So I'm gonna go console. Down. Oh, I didn't want that. Hit the wrong button. Good, it's pop up. Launch remote console. Allow. So this launches the actual client software, which is great. Let's see if it's back up yet. Because ngrok should start as a service. Continue. Okay, so see, this is what it's like in the software. So to send, Control Alt Delete. I forget how to do it. It's not that. Is it that? No. Oh, virtual machine. Send, Control Alt Delete. Yay! There we go. Let's log in as administrator because I am the administrator. All right. So let's see if it kicked back in yet. All right. See, now we're up and running. So see, if we log in, all the cameras should have reconnected to the server. As you can see, they have. If we go to all cameras, you'll see a whole slew of different cameras. And it's still showing me one camera that's going to the software. Should create the window now. Yeah, see, there we go. But it still remains. Software updates. Install the latest highly critical. Install the latest update available. Motion trigger alert there. Watchdog page synchronization. Reolink. Dual streaming. Let's update to the latest and greatest. So this is how you update. So this is going to automatically shut down. It's going to stop the service. You can see behind me at this window over here that it's given a bunch of unavailables because it can't access the server. So then this is waiting for the service to actually shut down completely so then it can complete the update. So we'll give it a second to do the update. Takes a few. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Did it stop yet? Oh, it's already back up and running. Sweet. So now if I go here, for this gear, I can go to, I think there's an about page. Oh no, it shows right here. Where startup, AI, joystick, schedule, email, devices. Do I have email server set up? Yep, I do. About, there we go. Yep, 5.8. I'm running the latest version. Expires 7/7/24. Cool. This camera, I still don't know why. Camera settings. Delete. Yes. Camera can go away. Cool. Very cool. All right. So how many cameras do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. I have 49 cameras in here. That's a lot of cameras. This is my PTZ outside. Like mine, I can move. It does let me move. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Okay, let's get out of that. Let's go back here. So this is updated. VMS updated to latest version. Okay, dokie. VMS is updated. Do, 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 do. All right, and I am going to get out of there because I don't need to be in there anymore. If you noticed, I've cleaned up a bit. Shoot, I need to find a home for him. Can I rest him on top of the speaker. I guess that's a good home for the hard drive. I want to make sure it actually shows up, because I did unplug it rather nastily the other day. Where's my drive? Applications, go to utilities, utilities, disk utility. And I want to see if the SanDisk is there. It damn should be. Yeah, there it is. I don't know why it's not mounting it. Mount. Run first aid. Okay, run. Possible. Code 1. Restoring the original state as unmounted. That's weird. Let's unplug it. And then plug it back in. Sometimes I have to bring it to the Windows computer and run a scan disk on the Windows computer for it to correct the drive. It's something weird's going on with it sometimes. Go mount. Run first aid. Run. Okay, let's see if it works. Come on, baby. Work, 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 work. What I should do is take all the pictures that are on here and upload it to AWS, just so that I have a backup copy. You know what? I'm going to do that. That's a very smart idea. Because Glacier is like pennies to host something on it. Yeah, I don't know why this doesn't run very quickly. So quickly.
Very quickly. How quickly?
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. I need to get myself a theme song so that I can play it. All right. Could not mount. All right. Checking volume, main boot, system files. Checking file system hierarchy. Okay, it's doing something. It's performing. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, it's doing something. It's checking something. Because I can't lose what's on that drive. That drive is very, very important to me. If I'm sitting this far away, I can still hear myself. I'm really far away. Leaned back in my chair. Leaned back in my chair right now. Testing. Leaned back. Testing, testing, testing. Testing. Very testing. Hello. All right. So when you're far away like that, the whatchamacallit thing. I can turn myself way high, turn myself way low. Is unison, whatever. Yeah, this is taking a while. Let's let it keep going. Go back to here. Marvelous. Oh, cool. First check done. Operate. Restoring the real estate. Okay, cool. It worked. It worked. Awesome. Cool. Now, this is what you do when you want to eject a drive. Click the eject button. Don't just rip it out like I did last time, because that's what made it dirty. That's what makes a drive dirty. Okay, what's that? It's a brochure for Wanko trailers. quickly, so quickly. You know what? I am going to relax for a little bit. I'm gonna watch a movie. And actually, I'll watch some YouTube videos. I'll watch them with you guys. Let's see what we got. Let's go full screen again. Okay. Whoa, they have a pro version of the Mini?
When you need an all-in-one camera drone with cutting-edge performance, but every gram of weight counts. That's the perfect time for Mini 4 Pro. A mighty
It's a
powerful
Pro?
camera using a new image processing platform that captures details in challenging lighting conditions. Slow-mo is now in crisp 4K. Step up your social media game with vertical shots that make use of every pixel.
That's cool. That's really cool.
And shoot night shots that shine with upgraded low-light performance.
Yeah, but it's really
10-bit
light out.
unleashes vibrant, lifelike colors. And with extended battery life, you'll be ready when the moment comes.
Wow.
Spinning in the flicker of the fire, buzzing in the atmosphere.
The most stable video transmission we've ever had on Mini means staying connected further than ever before. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing on a DJI Mini drone means safety in all directions for
That's
the very
cool.
first time. So
That's
you can
cool.
focus on capturing the perfect shot with peace of mind. Save a flight path to repeat shots with ease.
See, that's cool. Being able to save a flight
Jump
path.
into action and let Mini 4 Pro catch your best angles.
It's our time.
Yeah, saving a flight path is awesome.
With Active Track 360 degrees, tracking movements is as dynamic and simple as painting a path with your finger.
That's cool.
Your breath, take a step, here's the chance, yeah.
Relax and let Mini 4 Pro's new AR route mapping be your advanced visual guide on the return flight.
Wow.
Share your incredible experiences with the world. It's time to take Mini to the max.
That's crazy. DJI.com. Let's take a look at. That's pretty cool. What is that thing? What is that? Zenmuse Pro. The hell is that? That thing looks cool. Is it thermal? Come on, play. Show me, show me, show me. I want sound.
Use L1, a camera payload that combines both LiDAR and RGB solutions to provide various industries with efficient 3D data acquisition.
Ooh,
Now, DJI breaks new ground with the Zenmuse L2,
that's cool.
elevating the standards of aerial surveying, operational experience, task efficiency, and accuracy, making any 3D operation a breeze. Zenmuse L2 comes with an integrated design,
Wow.
incorporating a LiDAR module, mapping camera, high-accuracy IMU system, and a 3-axis gimbal.
Wow.
The new IMU system's performance is optimized, and warm-up is not required, letting you take off fast. Coupled with enhanced LiDAR technology, it significantly improves accuracy and reduces the thickness of point clouds. The LiDAR module can launch 240,000 laser points per second, with smaller and more focused laser spots, enabling it to penetrate dense vegetation
Look at
and get
that.
results with visibly clearer details. L2 supports up to 5 returns for increased point cloud data collection. It also boasts a maximum detection range of 450 meters. And while operating at the typical altitude of 120 meters, it can meet the requirements of 1 to 500 high-accuracy topographic mapping.
Whoa.
While ensuring the accuracy of the point cloud, L2 can cover an area of up to 2.5 square kilometers in a single flight, greatly enhancing operational efficiency.
That's badass.
Thanks to its powerful hardware capabilities, L2 can be used in a variety of scenarios, including surveying and mapping, forestry management, infrastructure management,
That's so cool.
and electricity management, among others. In addition, the DJI Pilot 2 app has been upgraded, making operations even more efficient. Point Cloud Live View has been further optimized, providing
Look
immediate
at
insights into your
that.
operations.
That's
After Point Cloud data
badass.
collection, task quality reports can be generated on-site. With Point Cloud playback and merging functions, operators can quickly preview results on the remote controller, making fieldwork worry-free and significantly more effective. DJI Terra has also become more intelligent and efficient. Now, you can obtain base station data through the cloud's PPK function. DJI Terra can also now generate DEM results directly, giving you
That's pretty cool. That is really, really cool. Okay, let's go back to out of the enterprise area. Oh, I did the wrong button. DJI.
When you need an all-in-one camera drone with cutting-edge performance, but every gram of weight counts.
I'm gonna look around at their new consumer drones. Camera drones. Let's go. Boop. What do we got? I've got the Mavic. Oh no, I've got the DJI Air. I got the Air. Got the Air 2. Yeah, this is the one I've got. I don't have the oh, DJI Air 3. Nice. Yeah, I got the DJI Air 2. I don't have the 2S. I just have the 2. DJI Mini. Let's take a look at this Mini. 4K 60. What does mine do? Okay, Mavic is like Mavic 3 Pro is like the one I'd like to get because this is a badass camera. Okay, they have a blank website. Yay, blank website. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's that funky looking Hasselblad camera. Definitely cool. Definitely cool. Yeah, I'd love to have that one. But I mean, I have a drone. I'm happy with my drone I got. Let us go to YouTube. Keep applications. What the hell are you talking about? What's going on with setup? Yeah, no, go away. Why did this decide to do an update right now? Like, really? I know I got a bunch of updates that I do have to do. But weird. Okay, back to YouTube. YouTube.com. Love YouTube. Because I'm streaming to YouTube right now. Let's see. Whoa, GoPro Hero 12. Would that make my what is that one? Hold on. I gotta go back again. What is DJI Avata? Is that like their FPV drone or something? Why am I getting? Oh, I'm logged in as the wrong thing.
Tucson with America's best warranty. Now get.
I want to see what this looks like. See what this is. Oh yeah, it's the FPV drone. That is pretty cool. It is pretty crazy.
What is going on, guys, and welcome to yet another video. Today we're gonna test out the brand new DJI avatar and see what a semi-amateur FPV pilot like myself can create with this little thing. The one main reason why I haven't gotten into the FPV game as much as I would like to is the difficulty to research, build, tune, as well as rebuild your drone every time you crash. And I promise you, even the professional FPV pilots crash a lot. This is where a Cinewhoop drone like the Avatar comes in handy. It's not as explosive and fast in the way it flies, but also not as fragile. DJI has created a significantly stronger frame for the Avatar as well as propel covers, making it much more forgiving when crashing. And therefore a lot safer and very enjoyable to fly.
Okay, let's try again. Looks like new.
New features worth mentioning is the new ultra-wide-angle lens, improved stabilization called Rock Steady and Horizon Steady, and lastly the tiny size of this drone, making it easier than ever to fly through small gaps.
That is such cool. Wow.
But to fly an FPV should be a challenge, as it's so rewarding when you finally nail the shot.
Yeah, an FPV drone looks very difficult to fly compared to the drone I have. It's definitely badass, I will say that. Look at that. Let's turn the volume down a little bit. That was pretty loud. Yeah, I've never flown in an FPV drone before. Does seem pretty cool though. Whoa, what's that?
So this has been my latest obsession. These are called Cinelifters.
Cinelifters?
Basically, your fully manual, high-performance acrobatic FPV drone, but instead of it carrying a GoPro, it carries a cinema camera.
Didn't crash it yet. It is scary flying something so expensive, but kind of makes it more fun too.
Now, the way you fly these are very different from a typical drone because it's fully manual. Most drones you can kind of let go of the controller. Oh snap! Oh snap! Hold on. Ooh, I really messed that one up. I think I have to replace the motors. That was not a good crash. You can't just let go of the controller or else it'll do what that just did. But yeah, when it comes to learning how to fly FPV, crashing is definitely a big part of it. Now the Sony FX6 that's on here is actually a really ideal FPV camera. Comes in at just 2 pounds, has built-in ND filters, records gyro data, doesn't have IBIS. But the feature that I'm most excited about is the 4K 120. In this video, I want to test out high-speed cameras on high-speed drones.
Wow. Look
now, the thing with FPV is that a lot of times the best shots come from when you're right there in the middle of the action. So it could definitely be a high-risk, high-reward type of thing.
That is cool.
Oh crap. Oh crap, I can't see.
You can't see anything?
No, nothing. Hold on.
Okay, slow. You're about to hit.
Just in case you thought my FPV addiction couldn't get any worse. Whoa! Shout out to Lumineer and Get FPV. This is the QAV Pro. Last week we went out and flew some FPV drones with Sammy and Josh, and I was filming with the O3 air unit at 120 frames per second. And what's kind of cool about 120 frames per second is that the math works out so that if you play it back on a 24 frame per second project as well as a 30, and it has an evenly distributed amount of frames. Now of course you could take that footage and slow it way down, but if you want that footage to still look like it's moving, you have to be moving the camera fast as well. Now of course, when it comes to my experience with these cine lifters, I started off with the iFly Taurus X8, which kind of got me started and also taught me some lessons on how not to crash. And then we started flying a little bit more with the bigger brother, the X8 Pro, and with that we've flown all kinds of different cameras and stuff. But that one also I do need to do a little bit of work on. This has 3150 motors, so bigger than what I'm used to flying here, and 9-inch propellers, so just bigger all around. Before I fly with the FX6, I want to just kind of get used to the thing, and I have a dummy weight on there. It's just not to make me nervous because it thinks
Look at that.
The battery is somewhere where it's not.
Look at that thing.
I gotta land over here.
Yep, land to the right of that big bush.
I think I would have learned my lesson for the first time I flew the battery too low, but I saw the numbers dropping pretty quick and I was like, oh crap. I just set it down over there. That's what I get for not coming back in time. I figured it out. Just had to go into beta flight and adjust a few of these parameters. These are nothing like the DJI drones that basically tell you when you're on a low battery and flies itself back basically. You have to keep an eye on the voltage. Let's try the real thing now.
Whoa.
Honestly, it flies freaking great. Like I can barely tell that the camera's on there.
Whoa.
I can whip this thing around pretty good, actually. The one thing I do wish it had was GPS. Not necessarily for like the GPS recovery, but I like to be able to look in the corner and see how fast I'm going so I could brag.
Whoa, look at that.
Handles really good consider what I'm kind of pushing it to.
Look at that.
That was fun. All right, so basically my goal for this week is to fly a fast camera, 120 frames per second, on a fast drone. It's 120 kilometers an hour. I gotta do the calculations there. Pretty sure it could do that. All right, first dive with the camera. All right, got 4 minutes of flight time. That's pretty good. Let's see if I can hit that landing pad, all right? Does it count? I mean, the propellers are kind of poking out, but now just like anything, there's a lot of noise. It also draws a lot of attention, and there's definitely a few questions that everybody asks. How fast can that thing go? And in this case, this is the Lumineer QAV Pro, and this is supposed to be able to fly over 86 miles per hour. But there are cine lifters out there that can go faster. This is using the DJI O3 Air unit to send the video across, so in perfect conditions, we could get up to 10 kilometers. Currently, they do come with the original Air unit, but they set this one up with the O3
Holy crap.
because I love the range and the quality out of the new one, and they are going to be selling with the O3 as well. Now, even though this video is more about flying big cameras on big drones, I still love flying the little ones. I mean, with a small drone, I could just whoop, okay, line it up.
Huh? I got it from over there. I had to stream with something on. I couldn't. I know, it's great. Raw, Jurassic Park. Huh? Yeah, I got matchy lighties. Cool. I'm streaming.
Bail out last second. There's definitely some pros and cons to heavier setups like this. Like,
that is a heavy
definitely
camera.
Has a lot more weight and you feel it. It's kind of the difference between trying to stop a bowling ball versus a baseball, right? This takes a little bit more momentum, so you have to pull out of dives a little bit early and all that. But I feel like the benefit of this weight is that when I'm approaching
that is
the gap,
really cool.
There's not much of this like, whoa, it's just kind of like solid and locked on. So I do feel like when I'm approaching
I got rid of it.
or something, I just have that
kept
finer
falling
control.
down.
So it's definitely a different flight experience.
The stand is crap.
No, yeah, the stand is crap. But this light, I mean, this is a $600 light. It works good.
Did the other one?
I have another one just like that I could put here if I needed. But
did the other one give off good light? Was the lighting better?
That works just as good. Okay. But my lighting with just this light is perfect. I mean, I could be a little bit more evenly lit, but I think I'm good. I like it. But I think I'm going to be signing off for a little bit. So I will talk to you all next time. Have a good night. And see you later. Huh?
How's your sound thing?
Great.